This video is an addendum to the first video. It has to do with the order by clause in views. There's some weird stuff that can happen if you use the percent option when putting an order by clause in a view. Order by clause in a view is not considered the best practice, but I've seen enough people do it in the real world that I figured I needed to add it. When I do an order by clause in a straight select statement, you can see it works as expected. All the country data is organized in sequential order. However, let me go ahead and put that same query in a view. Now, when I do this, I have to include the top option or the view won't work. So if I try this without, I'll get an error message. Order by clause is invalid in views and functions. You must have, unless you have the top statement. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top statement in. I'm using the percentage option, and watch what happens. I don't get an error message this time, but Canada is interspersed with USA results. So that's a little odd. You would expect it to not be this way, but it basically ignored my order by on that country. Now, if I change it over to just a straight integer value instead of a percentage, that works fine. Also, oddly enough, if I change it to 99%, that works fine too. But of course, it might be possible to miss 1% of the data. If I do something in a function, I get the same issue. So if I have a function that has the same 100%, I'll see the same issue appear where the data for the country is interspersed. But once again, if I use an integer value, that's not an issue. So I guess the moral of the story is if you need to use order by because your organization wants it in there inside of a view or a function, don't use the percentage, use the numeric value or integer value instead. Just make it such a large number that you'll never exceed it, and that'll be fine. Okay, hope that helps clear up that little oddity, and thanks for watching.